Alright, this is our range test for a Soundcore Liberty Pro, and I'm using my iPad connected to a Soundcore Motion Plus to talk to my son. And you guys should hear his voice coming from that speaker, and he's sitting over there. And we are at our mailpost with solar powered Wise camera, and we're charging his iPad here. iPad connected to the earbuds Liberty Pro. Go.
My voice probably sounds really weird through the speaker. Right now I'm about maybe this is about like 50 feet.
Keep going, turn left.
All right, turning
right.
Left.
You're right.
Oh, right?
That way. Keep going, keep going. Talk. Say something.
All right, now I'm here, all right? Your voice is getting a little staticky.
All right, but still works?
I'd say maybe this is like 60 to 70 feet.
Okay. Keep going.
I'm a little bit farther, 80 feet, and now I can hear my own voice.
Are you sure that's 80 feet? Because it's rated for 33 feet.
Great. I'd say now I'm about like 100.
All right.
I've got to be 100 something feet.
I can hear you
Maybe
very loud and clear.
120?
I can hear you loud. No, go to your right a little bit because
my
the car,
right? A little bit to my right.
Yeah,
all right.
Yeah, you're right. Because the car is gonna block the line of sight. Go to the right of the curb. Yeah, the other side of the street. Keep going. Say something.
There's no sidewalk on the other side of the street.
It's fine. Come on.
All right, still walking.
Can you hear me?
There's a stop sign up there. I'd say once I reach there, you probably can't even see me now, but once I reach there, I would probably be about 200 feet away.
This is amazing, isn't it?
I know, your voice is still fine also.
Really? Oh my God. This is crazy. Keep going. I can't even see you anymore. Can you wave? Can you wave? Can you wave at us?
Yeah, right around the stop sign, stuff started getting staticky. You know?
Oh, I can't.
Right, heading back now.
Okay. This is amazing.
I'd say 100 and maybe 60 feet.
Okay.
110 feet.
Oh my God. All right.
100 feet.
Okay.
When I basically reach the middle, that'll be about 50.
Excellent. Thanks. Bye. Can you hang up? Can you hang up?
All right.